What biblical scholars say about the Bible, history, truth, and divine power. Welcome to Bible or Hum, where we explore truth through the light of Scripture. What do the world's greatest biblical scholars say about the Bible? Not preachers, not just believers, but historians, linguists, and theologians, men and women who have spent decades studying the Bible in its original languages, manuscripts, and historical context. What have they discovered? Let's take a journey through faith, history, and scholarship. 1. The Bible's historical impact. The Bible is not just a book. It is the most influential text in human history. It shaped the laws, cultures, languages, and values of entire civilizations. Dr. F. Bruce, British biblical scholar, once said, "There is no body of ancient literature in the world which enjoys such a wealth of good textual attestation as the New Testament." From education to justice, freedom to human rights, the Bible has left a global legacy. Scholars say no other book compares. 2. Manuscript evidence. Skeptics say the Bible has been changed, but scholars disagree. There are over 5,800 Greek manuscripts, 10,000 Latin manuscripts, and 9,300 others, many dating back to the 2nd and 3rd century. Dr. Bruce Metzger of Princeton, a world-renowned textual critic, said, "The Bible is by far the best attested work of ancient literature. Compared to Plato, Homer, or Aristotle, the Bible stands alone in accuracy and preservation." 3. The Bible and archaeology. Every year, archaeology confirms more of the Bible's accuracy. Scholars like William Albright, the father of biblical archaeology, once said, "The excessive skepticism shown toward the Bible has been progressively discredited." Discoveries like the Dead Sea Scrolls, which confirm the accuracy of Isaiah, the Tel Dan inscription, which proves King David was a historical figure, the ruins of cities like Jericho, Nineveh, and Hazor, all mentioned in Scripture. Scholars now say, the Bible is not myth, it is grounded in historical reality. The Bible's unity. The Bible was written by over 40 authors, in 3 languages, across 1,500 years, yet tells one unified story. Dr. Gleason Archer, biblical scholar and linguist, said, "The Bible is an amazing unity, which cannot be explained by mere human authorship. From Genesis to Revelation, it is one divine narrative of creation, fall, redemption, and restoration." 5. Changed lives. Through the centuries, scholars don't only analyze the Bible, they're often changed by it. C.S. Lewis, a former atheist and Oxford professor, became a believer and wrote, "The Bible is more than a book. It reads us while we read it." From St. Augustine to Dietrich Bonhoeffer, from Martin Luther to Mother Teresa,